pomp and ceremony refined over centuries, broadcast on television for the first time. At St James's Palace in London, a meeting of the Accession Council formally confirmed Charles III as King of Britain and head of the Commonwealth. Among them, all 6 living former Prime Ministers, senior politicians, judges and officials.
By the grace of God of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, and of his other realms and territories, King, head of the Commonwealth, defender of the faith, to whom we do acknowledge all faith and obedience with humble affection, beseeching God, by whom kings and queens do reign, to bless his majesty with long and happy years to reign over us. God save the King!
God save the King!
King Charles addressed the council and paid tribute to his late mother, Queen Elizabeth II.
My mother's reign was unequalled in its duration, its dedication and its devotion. Even as we grieve, we give thanks for this most faithful life.
The proclamation was repeated from the balcony of St James's Palace. Gun salutes rang out to welcome the new king. In Parliament, senior MPs pledged their allegiance to the new king. Charles and his wife, Queen Consort Camilla, then travelled to their new home, Buckingham Palace. Thousands of onlookers cheered their new king.
It just felt like a really special moment in history, and it was lovely actually seeing him. I didn't think I'd feel as emotional as I did. No, it was really special.
They are complex emotions for a country undergoing profound historical change, welcoming a new king, mourning the death of a deeply loved queen. Royal family feuds were, for now, forgotten as the newly appointed Prince and Princess of Wales, William and Catherine, and the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, Harry and Meghan, reunited to greet well-wishers and inspect floral tributes to the late Queen outside Windsor Castle. In the coming days, her body will be taken to Edinburgh and then London, where she will lie in state before her funeral, which is scheduled to take place Monday, September 19th. Dozens of world leaders, including US President Joe Biden, are expected to attend. Henry Ridgwell for VOA News, London.